If you need a simple and professional way to introduce your team in PowerPoint, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create clean team introduction slides that look polished, easy to read, and great for presentations, pitch decks, company overviews, or internal meetings. We'll keep it simple and walk through each step so you can build a great looking team section in just a few minutes. If this video helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and create a new slide. For the title, type Our Team. This keeps the section clear and professional right away. You want the audience to instantly understand what this slide is about, so using a simple title like Our Team works very well. If you want, you can also adjust the font size to make it bold and easy to see from a distance. Next, add a photo of the team member. You can insert a professional headshot, a profile photo, or a clean cropped image depending on the style of your presentation. To do this, go to Insert, then choose Pictures and upload the image you want to use. Once the photo appears on the slide, resize it so it fits nicely without taking up too much space. Try to keep the image consistent for every person if possible, because that makes the slide look more organized and visually balanced. Now it's time to add the details for that person. Under or beside the photo, include the name of the team member first, then add their role, such as project manager, designer, marketing lead, or software engineer. After that, include 1 to 2 short lines about them. This could mention their experience, what they do on the team, or a key strength. Keep it brief and professional because too much text can make the slide feel crowded. The goal is to help the audience quickly understand who this person is and why they matter to the team. A good format is to place the name in a larger bold font, the role in a smaller font underneath, and then the short bio below that. This makes the information easy to scan and gives the slide a clean hierarchy. If you want a more modern layout, you can place the photo on one side and the text on the other. If you prefer something more traditional, you can put the photo at the top with the text below it. Either way, consistency is the key. Once you finish the first team member, repeat the same layout for all the other team members. Make sure every slide follows the same style, the same font choices, and the same spacing. This creates a polished presentation and makes your team section feel intentional and well designed. If you are adding multiple members on one slide, try to align everything evenly so it doesn't look messy. You can use PowerPoint's alignment tools to help keep each image and text box in the right position. As a bonus tip, if your team is large, you can split them into categories like leadership, marketing, design, or development. That can make the presentation easier to follow and more useful for the audience. You can also add brand colors, subtle shapes, or a light background to make the slide look more polished without distracting from the team members themselves. And that's it. You now know how to introduce your team with PowerPoint slides in a simple, clear, and professional way. Just remember the formula. Create the slide, add the team member photo, include the name, role, and a short description, and then repeat for everyone on the team. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.